Bonjour Abu. Hello everyone. 8th class student, this is the day 5 work for you. We have done the numbers up to 1 lakh. I hope now you can able to speak the counting 1 to 1 lakh in French now. So we have done this page 14. Today we will do the page number 15. So on the page number 15, there is the topic le jour, le mois, l'année means day, month and year. So hier means yesterday, aujourd'hui means today, demain means tomorrow. Again I am repeating hier, aujourd'hui, demain, yesterday, today, tomorrow. Okay students. So what is the rule in the French? In French you have to put article or preposition before every time. Okay, for example, le jour. In English it is written only day, but in French le is also there. Month, le mois. Year, le année. Why they are putting L apostrophe before the time? Because it is the rule. We have to put some article before the time. Okay, so today we will learn which article or which preposition we will use before any time word. Okay, so first is quel jour. First question is quel jour est-ce que aujourd'hui? What is the day today? Aujourd'hui c'est mardi. Mardi is Tuesday. C'est le premier janvier. Premier janvier means 1st January. Okay, student, in English we write down first like this, 1 and st, small st. Okay, but in French we write first like this, first and er. Okay, this is the first. So next is quel mois sommes-nous? In which month we are? We are in janvier. Now this, before the month name you have to put en every time. So remember this thing, before the name of month you have to put en. But if you are writing the month of the January, then you have to put de. Okay, only January you are writing, then en, and the month of January, then this article you will use au and de. Now third is season. Which season you Eve is a summer season. Which season you have to put winter season, sorry, is which season you have to put en. Okay, en. Now example, before any date you have to put le as the article. Okay, before any date you have to put le. For example, in English we use on preposition, but in French we use only le before any date, like here only also. So the third is, okay, this is also using here date, and before the date we have to put le. Okay, it is compulsory. So some notes are here. The first letter of the days of the week is not written in the capital. Okay, same. First is premier. So in English the spelling of first is first, and shortcut we will write down 1 and st. Last st we write down because of the spelling of first. And in French we write down 1 and er because of the spelling of first in French is premier. So er we write down, last er we write down here. I think this is clear to you all. Third point, before date in French there is no preposition used, unlike in English. In English we use the preposition on before the date, but in French we don't use the preposition. Then what we use? We use definite article. Le. Okay. So I think third and fourth points are clear to you. Fifth point, ordinal number is not used, unlike like in English except first of the month. For example, we speak like this: first of January, 2nd of January, 3rd of January. So these first, second, third is the ordinal number. So in French we don't use ordinal number except one. Only first we write down premiere, otherwise two, the, trois, quatre. Okay. Now sixth point is the first letter of the month we will not write in the capital form. So move on to the next page. Quelques experience de temps. A few expressions of time. First is maintenant. Maintenant means now. English meaning is also given here. Pendant. Pendant means during. These are the time. A partir de means from. Okay, from. So janvier. So before the month we have to put en. En means in. Au mois de janvier, in the month of January. A seminar d'une semaine, one seminar of the week. Un congé de 2 jours, a leave of the 2 days. So un congé de 2 jours means a leave of 2 days. Les vacations d'été means summer's vacation. Now the next part, before any season we use, let's recall the preposition used before the season. Okay, pronto is a spring season. Before the spring season we always use au. Okay, please remember this thing, we also always use au. Ete means summer. Before ete, before autumn, before eve we use on en. So on the base of this topic we will do the exercise. So on the page number 18 there is exercise number 5th in your book. So a part, nous n'avons pas la classe en mai. As you know, before any month we have to put en preposition. That's why we are using en here. Il finit la classe à midi. So with the noon, midi means noon. He finished the class at noon. This a means at. Okay. Pronto, as you told now, before the season, before the pronto we have to put au only. So we will use au. At the spring season there are flowers. The professor commence la class à 9 heures, means at 9 o'clock. This means at. Eve, as you know, before the season we use en. At winter, le neige tombe, the snow fall. Fifth part, la rentrée, the return of the school, is au mois de juin, at the month of June. En automne, il pleut, in autumn it's raining. En été, in summer, il fait beau et chaud, the weather is beautiful and hot. So student, this is the exercise number 5th. Do this exercise in your books also. So as you know, we have done the exercise number 3rd, 4th, 5th. Now after the 5th exercise, move on to the 8th exercise. 8th exercise is related to your chapter that we have done, the reading portion only this is. So I think you know this, but still I have done this exercise for you. You can check here. La Musique, what is this? This is the national anthem of France. So this is the answer. Renault is a car logo, car mark. It is a car logo, car name. 14 July is a national festival of France. Le Tour de France. Le Tour de France is a cycle race. I told you in the chapter also. Le Festival d'Avignon, it is a festival of theatre. The Fête de la Musique is celebrated in 21st of June. Le fromages Comber. This is the name of a cheese, fromage. Le drapeau français means flag of France is bleu, blanche and rouge. Le Festival de Cannes festival is related to the cinema. And the France is hexagon. Okay, so this is your exercise number 8, and you can also do your exercise number 9. This is your exercise number 9. This is also based on your chapter number 1. So if you have done the reading carefully, that you can do the exercise by yourself, but still I have done this exercise for you. So firstly try to do this exercise by yourself, and after that check your answers from here. Okay students, au revoir, bye bye, à bientôt, see you soon.